brothers, welcome to Rich PHP. So today we are going to learn about assignment operator, that is PHP tutorial number 9. So let's start. So basically here the name is suggests itself that we are assigning some value to some variables. For example, here we are assigning 20 to x variable. If we check the output, here it's display 20. So basically this is a simple thing. So in assignment operator you can use the shortcut for addition, that is if you want to change the x value you can use $x plus equal to $y. That means $x equal to $x plus $y. Do the addition, that is take the x value, add the y value in it. Just like a simple example, I already write the example to save the time. So if you check the output, we see here it's 30, and if you check here, I use the shortcut, that is assignment operator provided. So yeah, for all the things you can subtraction, multiplication, division and all other things you can do the shortcuts. Similarly, you just add to minus sign, that is the arithmetic sign before the equal to sign, and then the value that you want to add in the main variable. So here are some example, you can check on my blog also. I can paste the link in the description, and also check the first comment, that is pinned. There is a blog link. You can check this on the website directly. Yeah, this is what we do in the assignment operator. So see you in the next video. This is simple and short video. Please do like, comment and share the video. Soon we upload the remaining PHP tutorial, so keep supporting and keep watching the video. Thank you so much.